Yes, it was.
Mhm. बोलो बोलो.
Yeah, it was amazing doing the task and accomplishment.
Yes.
We feel
एक
that,
जो विन की एक फीलिंग आती है ना कि हाँ, एट लास्ट आई डिड इट, इज
and
समथिंग पावरफुल.
at the moment, I may not recognize because of some low I may be feeling some day before or yesterday. That's why that also affects. And yeah, small wins add up to give you everything, courage, confidence, and things.
एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल.
I
कितनी सुंदर वॉल है ना अंशिका के पीछे. हाउ नाइसली डन.
yeah, kids' room are
यस.
very pretty.
ऑलराइट. A very warm welcome to Komal and Anshika. Thank you for joining in. And we are reading about From Power Struggle to Revenge from this amazing book, The Courage to Be Disliked. Let me quickly share the screen so that we can read it together. Youth. Okay, all this talk about teleology and such is pure sophistry, and trauma definitely does exist. And people cannot break free from the past. Surely you realize that. We cannot go back to the past in the time machine. As long as the past exists as the past, we live within the context from the past. ये बड़ी powerful line है. As long as the past exists as the past, we live within the context from the past. If one were to treat the past as something that does not exist, that would be the same as negating the entire life one has led. Are you suggesting I choose such an irresponsible life? Philosopher. It is true that one cannot use a time machine or turn back or the hands of time. But what kind of meaning does one attribute to the past events? This is the task that is given to you now. Youth says, all right, so let's talk about now. Last time you said that people fabricated the emotion of anger, right? And that is the standpoint of teleology. I still cannot accept the statement. For example, how would you explain instances of anger towards society or anger towards government? Would you say that these two are emotions fabricated in order to push one's opinion? Philosopher says, certainly. There are times when I feel indignation with regard to social problems. But I would say that rather than a sudden burst of emotion, it is indignation based on logic. There is a difference between personal anger, that is personal grudge, and indignation with regard to society's contradictions and injustice, that is righteous indignation. Personal anger soon cools. Righteous indignation, on the other hand, lasts for a long time. Anger as an expression of a personal grudge is nothing but a tool for making others submit to you. The youth says, you say that personal grudges and righteous indignations are different. Philosopher, they are completely different because righteous indignation goes beyond one's own interest. Do you see the difference between the two?
I lost the context somewhere. I lost where you were reading. I mean, I started seeing there's some yeah, captions come in my Zoom meeting.
Okay.
So I was like, how to remove it? I was just checking those settings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Personal indignation, personal grudges और इन righteous indignation में difference है. Righteous indignation, the author says, that is beyond our own interest. जबकि जो पर्सनल हमारे ग्रजेस होते हैं, जो हम पर्सनली एंग्री होते हैं किसी से, दैट इज टू मेक अदर्स सबमिट टू यू, टू मेक अदर्स मे बी फील गिल्टी अबाउट व्हाट दे डिड. ठीक है. यूथ सेज, then I will ask you about personal grudges. Surely, even you get angry sometimes. For instance, if someone hurls abuse at you for no particular reason, don't you? Philosopher says, no, I do not. Youth, come on, be honest. Philosopher, is someone to abuse me to my face, I would think about that person's hidden goal. Even if you are not directly abusive, when you feel genuinely angry due to another person's words or behaviors, please consider that person is challenging you to a power struggle. This is a very, very nice point. I think we can, all reflect on it. आप म्यूट पे हो कोमल, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Maybe we can write these or mark those. Very important.
And youth says a power struggle. Philosopher says, for instance, a child will tease an adult with various pranks and misbehaviors. In many cases, this is something done with the goal of getting attention and will cease just before the adult gets genuinely angry. However, if the child does not stop before the adult gets genuinely angry, then his goal is actually to get in the fight. How many of you have seen कि छोटे बच्चे आइसक्रीम के लिए लड़ते रहेंगे. चाहिए 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 चाहिए. मम्मी पापा थोड़ी देर बाद या तो ले देंगे या गुस्से से एक थप्पड़ लगा देंगे, चुप करके बैठ, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. तो बच्चा भी इतना इंटेलिजेंट वैसे तो होता है कि भाई तब तक ही बोलूंगा जब तक मेरी बात सुनी जा रही है. डोंट वी डू दैट? यूथ, why would he want to get in a fight? Philosopher, he wants to win. He wants to prove his power by winning. मैंने बोल दिया तो बोल दिया, अभी मुझे चॉकलेट चाहिए तो चाहिए, नो मैटर व्हाट. आज मैं सारे घर में तमाशा कर दूंगी, टा 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 टा. अभी पापा मम्मी को गुस्सा आए या जो मर्जी हो, एक रिबेलियस वो तो सामने आ गया ना. अब वो या तो वो उस बच्चे को मारेंगे पीटेंगे, चुपचाप बिठा देंगे कि चुप, या वो जाएंगे पकड़ाएंगे उसको, एंड देन द चाइल्ड विल से कि हाँ आई वॉन्ट.
What if child really wants that thing? मतलब child feels that I need this, I want this.
Is chocolate a need? Is ice cream a need?
Something else. Suppose if like elders, sometimes we ask for things. I was just thinking that way. Sometimes we want this, or your teenagers, they want something, and you are like, no, I don't want you to take it, you to get it somehow, and they feel that they need it. So then what happens is, so
So
then they will try na again and again.
हाँ, let them try. मेरे को लगता है कि if the deservability of the child is there, the parent will not hesitate giving.
Deservability,
Yes.
or they are thinking of something else, or yeah,
So
we
if
don't
my
know
child
what,
tells me, if my child tells me that I want a pistol, will I give it to my child? No.
No, obviously.
If my child tells me कि मेरे को साइकिलिंग सीखनी है, मेरे को साइकिल ले दो, will I gift it to him, her?
Suppose they have one bag and they're asking for another one.
मेरे बच्चे तो
Yeah, so
मारेंगे.
you will think of deservability, right? That's what I was about to add. So how much
Deservability.
they want it. Yeah,
Deservability.
see,
Okay, how
yeah,
much they
that's what
want.
I'm coming. My daughter, she's asking. Sorry, yeah, Karishma, go ahead.
नहीं बोलो बोलो, then I'll say.
Yeah, so my daughter, she's asking for जो small cars होते हैं, right? Like they run with batteries, so it's 120 volt, like very slowly, it walks very. So those cars, she's almost 6. Like she's asking that gift for when she is 6 years old, and that car, the size is big, but that car is ideally suitable for kids who are like three, 2.5, 3, maximum 4. So she has outgrown that car, but she never asked. But last, I don't know, like November, December, January, she persisted on that, and her birthday is in March. So for 4 months, she has consistently been asking that one gift only. Whatever, whenever we ask, she wants that only. For us, we know she has outgrown. We know it's very expensive. It's like almost 35, 40K in Indian rupees. If you, no, it will be more than that. So pretty much that kind of gift for a thing we know she's not gonna use for more than 2 weeks. And in the initial stages, we denied her. But now me and my husband are talking about it because we have seen her commitment of asking, and she never asked that until unless she wants. So we know she deserves that. Now it's our decision to analyze, like, will it be good, or we can replace it something that is good enough. But so here comes desirability. अगर वो इतना मांगती नहीं तो मैं देती नहीं, मैं सोचती भी नहीं, मेरे लिए तो था कि देना ही नहीं है, बेकार चीज है उसके लिए,
Because बच्चे कभी मांगते हैं, कभी
राइट?
नहीं मांगते. They keep on switching their, demand.
हाँ, but something they are persistent means actually they want it.
Yes. And then अगर मेरा 15 साल का बच्चा कहता है मुझे कार ले दो, मेरे को फरारी पसंद है, will I buy it for that child? Even if the child keeps on persisting, no, because जब तक लाइसेंस नहीं है, जब तक आपने ड्राइविंग सीखी नहीं है, I will not get that car. And even if I do, I will get you a smaller car. Right? Hello, Abhay. How are you? Thank you for joining in.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Youth says, I don't really get that. Could you give me some concrete examples? Philosopher, let's say you and a friend have been discussing the current political situation. Before long, it turns into a heated argument, and neither of you is willing to accept any differences of opinion until finally it reaches the point where he starts engaging in personal attacks. That you are stupid, and it's because of the people like you that the country doesn't change, that sort of thing. Youth, but if someone said that to me, I wouldn't be able to put up with it. Philosopher, in that case, what is the other person's goal? Is it only that he wants to discuss politics? No, it isn't. It's that he finds you unbearable and he wants to criticize and provoke you and make you submit through a power struggle. If you get angry at this point, the moment he has been anticipating will arrive and the relationship will suddenly turn into a power struggle. No matter what the provocation, you must not get taken in. Youth says, no, there is no need to run away from it. If someone wants to start a fight, it's fine to accept it. कोई लड़ रहा है तो मैं भी लड़ूंगी. Because it's the other guy who is at fault anyway. You can bash his nose in, the stupid fool. With words, that is. सबके घर में लड़ाई होती है. यही लगता है मैं क्यों रुकूं भाई. मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी. मैं बताती हूँ. Philosopher
And we didn't know
says,
this power struggle thing.
sometimes the chapter just comes because you need it. Philosopher, now let's say you
Yeah,
think
it is very relevant to what happened yesterday at my.
yes. Philosopher says, now let's say you take control of the quarrel. And then the other man who was seeking to defeat you withdraws in a sports-like manner. The thing is, the power struggle doesn't end there. Having lost the dispute, he rushes into the next stage. Youth, the next stage? Philosopher. Yes, it's the revenge stage. Though he was withdrawn for the long being, he will be scheming some revenge in another place and another form, and will reappear with an act of retaliation. Youth, like what, for instance? Philosopher. The child oppressed by his parents will turn to delinquency. He will stop going to school, he will cut his wrist and engage in other acts of self harm. In Freudian etiology, this is regarded as simple cause and effect. The parents raised the child in this way, and that is why the child grew up to be like this. It's just like pointing out that a plant wasn't watered, so it withered. It's an interpretation that is certainly easy to understand. But Adlerian teleology does not turn a blind eye to the goal that the child is hiding. That is to say, the goal of revenge on the parents. If he becomes delinquent, stops going to school, cuts his wrist, or things like that, the parents will be upset. They will panic and worry themselves sick over him. It is the knowledge that this will happen that the child engages in problem behavior, so that the current goal, revenge on the parents, can be realized not because he is motivated by past causes, home environment. बच्चे शरारत करेंगे to seek your attention. जब वो रिवेंज मोड में आ जाएंगे, एक बार होता है रिबेल होते हैं, फिर रिवेंज में जाते हैं. जब रिवेंज में जाते हैं, दे विल डू सच थिंग्स not to gain attention but give you tension. You want to say something, Komal?
But give you tension. Mm.
होता है ना. Have you actually ever noticed something like this happening around you?
Yeah, things were happening at my home yesterday itself, so I cannot say who was parents and I was child, obviously, but I mean,
Yeah.
elder child now, so they assume different things happen. So yeah, I'm quite lessons. I'll have to think what is written, and a lot of things can come out, and have a book and go through this all.
Yes.
Because power struggle is there. They want to prove themselves. I want to prove myself, and all the hidden agendas come up. They want to see me differently. Yeah, they want to maybe see me differently.
Hmm.
All the things can be there. Maybe they had those, but bringing those suddenly, yeah, doesn't doesn't serve the purpose. Or if it does, I still had to talk to my mentor about all these things then. So it's still not a very yeah, right. It's a cordial thing, but maybe my lessons, their lessons, everything. Then she would be worried also. Same like child. Because it's not, yeah, um, that it's not matlab, age is not the same now because it's just see child is child for parents always, right? So they would be like, you should be doing this, you should be doing this, you should be doing this, and all those things, and definitely so, but we do not know about those things, right? I was like, if I'm doing my classes, but they expect something else, right? Those are the things.
वो हमने
Yeah.
बात करी थी ना कि वी नीड टू बी द वेव्स. हमारे को हार्मनी बनानी है लाइफ में. एक ही डायरेक्शन में चलते जाओगे तो यू विल लूज ऑल द अदर थिंग्स. देयर इज अ व्हील ऑफ लाइफ दैट वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स. एक
Something.
एक कार
Yeah,
का
sorry.
पंचर हो जाए तो गाड़ी सीधी नहीं चलती है. दो पंचर हो जाएंगे तो भी मुश्किल है. वी हैव टू हैव एयर इन ऑल द फोर व्हील्स, राइट?
Yeah. For me, sometimes I do not get the thing till if they say me. I feel better when person should be able to ask. I'm that person. If they want work, they should ask me. I'm this. I don't. assume
बोलोगे तो
that
मैं कर
that has to be done.
मुझे बोलोगे तो मैं कर दूंगी,
Yes, I'm
अगर
that.
बोलोगे तो
नहीं बोलोगे तो नहीं हो रहा. Because नहीं बोलोगे तो नहीं हो रहा, because I was involved in my things and I thought that that's fine with them, right? I was doing, it's my study thing. It is like I thought this is my area. I'm doing study and you are cooking. I thought that's normal. For me, I gave the justification. I didn't assume that I have to cook this meal or something and later on this will be you will say whatever, because in anger they were saying, right? Normally, but yeah. So, but sometimes people or husband or parents, they want, but they're telling after 1 year. That doesn't serve the purpose. If they want, they can tell within 1 month, within 15 days. If it is coming after a year, it doesn't serve. It doesn't, it hurts you more. That I'm saying. If Karishma wants daughter to be that way, she will not tell if you were willing doing it. If your daughter was doing yesterday's job happily, but later on she says, "Mama, आप तो मेरे से काम करवाते रहते थे." Right? In that sense, I'm saying. If she
so
says, Mom, I wanted to do something else, but you gave me this work. If my mom was cooking, so I didn't know that, yeah, but all those things. Ki, it was really heavy. So I was like, I'm taking time. I thought I'm studying and results will come up, right? Results will be there. You are thinking, why results are not there? Results can be there. Results will be there. It things can take time. Those were the things, and many more. And words can be very nasty. I'm saying those in very polite way. I'm saying here in a very polite way. They go very nasty. That's why I was using that word to you. Yeah, because power struggle came now. Power struggle came. Here, book is also telling about power struggle.
hmm.
So that thing happens sometimes. Power struggle. Everybody becomes competitive. Then we forget love. That happens. Okay, let's get back.
It's okay. It's okay. And I think that um, while going to any direction, while going into any direction, we should not get blind on the way.
Mm,
We should have the sense of responsibility. If Komal was living alone in this house while studying, wouldn't she cook for herself?
yeah, same talk we were having with my mentor. If you will live alone, then also you will do. But then I was that kitchen will be according to me. This kitchen is very different. Where it is something is I don't want to say that word clutter. This is clutter. But if I'll keep it in my own way. If my mom, if see my father loves to cook, but he will because he loves to cook. Mom can manage that clutter. I would not allow someone who will make that clutter. That's me. If kitchen is this, it has to be this. It's not very obsessive. I'm definitely saying it's not about. I know what I'm saying. It's not like my very um, excessive. I'm just saying normal things. That this glass which is used have to go in sink. It will not be on slabs. That thing normal. You also. So always, even after saying, because yeah, all the things, all the all the utensils will come on slab.
कितनी देर लगती
Those
है?
things. So mom can handle that, but I cannot.
चलो, we'll discuss that later.
Yeah.
अंशिका इज लाफिंग, उसको भी ऐसे लगता है घर में ऐसा कुछ देखने को मिलता है.
I am on the other side. I am the receiver. So my husband says, कितनी देर लगती है, जैकेट पहन के उतारा है तुमने, सोफे पे क्यों छोड़ दिया, कितनी देर लगती है हैंगर में टंगाने में, right? And I am like totally on the other edge of that what you guys are discussing. So मेरे घर में उल्टा है.
नहीं, it's absolutely fine. So we have the doer, we have the
Yeah.
receiver, we have both in the room now.
So if
Now tell
Anshika
me
is
one
saying,
thing.
yeah,
जिसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है उसको, how long does it take to put the बर्तन in the this thing sink or put the
hmm,
jacket on the hanger?
I'll tell you. Same thing which Anshika is going through, I was also going through because husband was even more towards that side, more than me. So
My God.
he also was like, why keeping the comb on bed? Obviously, I was that one, limited one, clean. But my parents, they are not able to manage, it seems. They need some, matlab, it's difficult to say, but yeah, it seems. But obviously, then everybody will say, Komal, you can do it. But why will Komal do it? This is the concept.
Good
Komal
point.
thinks that every day
Yeah, same. Your
I'm.
parents can think for not putting things like just an example, like the way you are thinking. ठीक है, कंघी तो थी.
Hmm.
It can be same as, and you said a very beautiful line that what is this is very normal. Normal to whom? Normal to you, right? For me, it's like too much work. मैं थक के आई हूँ भाई. अभी जैकेट रहने दो, जब क्लीन करूंगी तब पहुंच जाएगी.
Hmm.
जूते अभी यहीं रहने दो, जब मैं रखूंगी तब मैं रख दूंगी.
Same mama is
So
thinking that it's okay. Yeah.
So for them, that's normal. For me, this is normal. But
Hmm.
for my husband, is like when you are coming back, you have keys in your pocket. Instead of keeping it anywhere, keep it where it belongs.
Yes.
It takes just 30 seconds more. That is his, and he's also not wrong. But for me, when I am not in that state, doing that 30-minute ka work is not aligned to me. I can change, yes, of course. But now comes, do I want to change or not? Of course I can take out that extra 30 seconds just to avoid conflict at home. यार हमेशा ये चिक चिक करता है, चलो जैकेट लगा दो
Yes.
जगह पे, चलो चाबी रख दो जगह
Exactly.
पे. I can do that. 30 seconds का काम
Hmm.
है. Or I'm okay. So that is like what the outcome I'm looking for.
For me,
So it's normal for somebody, but it may not be normal
for
for
me
me.
also these things were there, same like Anshika.
कोमल,
Yeah,
मुझे एक बात बता कि योर पेरेंट्स वुड बी 50 और 50 60 इयर्स के एज के होंगे.
they are, yeah.
यू से मैं नहीं बदल सकती हूँ. डू यू, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट देम टू चेंज?
No, मैं नहीं बदल सकती हूँ. I am like, I'll
Why
clean
should I
my.
do? Why should I do? So they will also ask, "No, why should we do anything? मैं हमारे को जैसे है समझ में, I'll do it that way.
So
Why
yeah,
should I do it your way?"
everybody is doing theirs now. Like that only I'm saying. If that kitchen was not clean, they were making food, right? If house was not clean, I was cleaning the house. Okay. So here something is balancing out. I'm just justifying. I mean, I can do the bed sheets.
Hmm.
I can do bed sheets. It's not about all the things. I have my own. I wash my clothes myself. I do the bed sheets. I may do a table which is maybe manageable for me. Which will be too much, which I don't know where to keep. That things I cannot do because mom is also too much obsessive about where the thing went,
Okay.
right? Where that thing went. So age and everything, those things are, I think, coming in between for me. And I think then tell for mama, daughter-in-law about daughter, yeah, something else also. Like, yeah, I feel it's their things. Hmm. I
Hmm.
definitely agree. I definitely agree. I can spend some time
भाई इतनी
doing it.
सच्ची बताओ, एक बात बताओ. वी विल एंड इट विद दिस थिंग. कोमल,
Yeah, yeah.
सारा दिन स्ट्रेस में निकालने से, सारा दिन एक ओवर थिंकिंग पैटर्न में रहने से, isn't it better कि take 30 minutes out and make sure every day 30 minutes I am doing something in the kitchen? That is maybe decluttering.
Or kitchen or some other place. It's not maybe kitchen. You want only kitchen or because kitchen I can't even imagine. It's not totally cluttered because every morning it will be cleaned. Maid will come, she will clean it. It's not always a mess. I'm saying when cooking will be done, then some extra utensils will come out. That's it. So, it can be mom does it. I don't, matlab maybe I'm not totally able to say that maybe I don't want to do it. Yeah, same like Anshika was saying. That is why do that keeps it that way. Maybe that thing is coming up. It can be because I don't have that patience. I don't have this patience that I can daily do, which is why you're keeping it this way. Maybe that thing can be there.
हर रोज
Hmm.
खाना बनना है तो हर रोज ही निकलना है सब.
जैसे अंशिका के हस्बैंड रोज जैकेट नहीं उठा के रख रहे, ऐसे मैं रोज किचन का है. बट व्हाई यू विल टेक आउट 15 मोर, राइट? इफ यू नीड 2 utensils, why there are 4 more out? I don't know that thing, right? More spoons,
So see,
more of
that is their model of world. Again, example, we both cook. My husband loves cooking, I love cooking. When I am cooking, anything I'm using goes in sink. I wash after I'm done. He does it along with it. And anytime when I am cooking, especially when like for a lot of people or like huge time of that cooking spent, so my sink fills up with like spoons and whatnot things. And he says, "साथ के साथ करते जाओ." Right? For me, साथ के साथ करते जाओ is not at all a thing. If I pay attention there, my attention goes away from cooking and something burns. So I know that. So for me, that doesn't work. So again, you want to change others, but where we can, and this is all I learned by living with him. We are two extreme people, and this was our only fight throughout our life. Like marriage, we had fight only on, I am very disorganized, he is very organized. Like his lamp has to be at certain angle, that is what it is. For me,
uh,
saman rakha hai, saman saaf hai, I'm good.
I think
It
my
doesn't have
brother
to be
and
in a,
they are also like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So people are the way they are, as long
Mm,
as it's serving them, right? It's okay.
definitely.
You do what you can do, let them do. Like this is what I did, and that made peace with our home. You, the way you want to handle your kitchen, I am not interrupting कि कहाँ
Mm,
क्या रखा है, why you are washing it dishes and whatnot. And I will not say, you don't say when I'm doing it,
yes,
right?
yes. It's not like one who feels that I am better organized will be more.
Better as per whom? Better as per whom?
Nobody. That only I'm saying. They
Yeah,
are that.
for us, we see our world with our
Yeah.
thing,
And
right?
it can be
So
more
yeah.
creative. It is your own way. It can be anything. My mom loves it that way. I tell her, if I tell her, she'll be like, घर घर ऐसे ही होता है, बच्चों वाला घर होता है ना. So she has, मतलब anything she can answer. कि clean वालों का, maybe she saw some 2 3 houses who were obsessed with cleanliness, whose life did not go well. She will give those examples to me whose life did not go well, but there are not everybody whose life will not go well with cleanliness. Obviously it will be going well. Yeah. Then Delna ma'am gave me the answer about this thing, that maybe she went through something in her life. I'll have to
Let's
think.
let's 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 hear what is his perspective on all this. What would you say?
Yeah.
First of all, actually, I was coming by, by road. I was in traffic,
Yes.
and I was not driving, but that's why. So I got just, some of the conversations, and I got that, it is everyone's world, and we have to respect each other's, uh, like, as Anshika said, like, her husband said that, ki 30 seconds, but it is when is a state of mind. When I'm in that state of mind, 30 seconds is not a big deal. Even I can give 5 10 minutes also. But even when I'm not in the state of mind, I can't do that. And when it's something like when I tell my wife, hey, you also put something like it's not appropriate. But it at that time it is poking. She tell me, don't poke me, like because she is already disturbed because she is busy in her work, or like my son is just 4.5 now, so she is doing something with him. And if I say like this is not okay, or the TV is still on or fan is still on or other room, so that doesn't work.
Hmm.
I mean to say, because they are in other state of mind, it doesn't work.
I think we
Good
need to
sharing. I
respect
yeah.
everybody's individuality,
Yeah.
everybody's frame of mind. And
Which is
Definitely.
this book actually? I just joined after a
that's
long
that's
time.
an
I don't know.
amazing insight. I'm glad that this came out. Wow. All
It's
right.
about state of mind. You got to know state of mind also definitely is a good pointer.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And
But those things
since Muskan has just hopped in, I'll not ask her for her perspectives. We will read ahead, Hana. Philosopher says,
if
let's
she wants.
do you have any
Hi,
perspective?
Muskan.
Karishma, I have to leave for one, so I will just leave.
Okay. Thank you, Abhay, for joining in. And Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
All right, let's hear it from you, Muskan. Do you have anything to share?
I don't know the question. I only heard about home.
तभी बोला चलो आगे चलते हैं and then we'll take Muskan's perspective आगे. Philosopher says, let's say you and a friend have been discussing our current political system. ये तो हो चुका था ना? Youth says, but if someone said to me, I wouldn't be able to put up with it. Philosopher, in this case, what is other person's goal? Is it only that he wants to discuss politics? No, it isn't. It's that he finds you unbearable and he wants to criticize and provoke you and make you submit through a power struggle. If you get angry at this point, the moment he has been anticipating will arrive and the relationships will suddenly turn into a power struggle. No matter what the provocation, you must not get taken in. Youth says, no, there is no need to run away from it. If someone wants to start a fight, it's fine to accept it. Because if the other guy who is at fault anyway, you can bash his nose in, the stupid fool, with words, that is. Philosopher. Now let's say you take control of the quarrel and then the other man who is seeking to defeat you withdraws a sports-like manner. The thing is, the power struggle doesn't end here. Having lost the dispute, he rushes into the next stage. The next stage. ये हमने पढ़ा था, but चलो, I'll read it through. Yes, it is the revenge stage. Though he has withdrawn for the time being, he will be scheming some revenge in other place and another form. And will... Do we have... Do you all see me, hear me?
Yes, we can see, we can hear.
Okay. Let me reshare. Okay. Youth says, like what, for instance? Philosopher says, the child oppressed by his parents will turn into delinquency. He will stop going to school, he will cut his wrist and engage in acts of self-harm. In Freudian ethology, there is a regard to simple cause and effect. The parents raised the child in this way and that is why the child grew up like this. हम लोगों ने बहुत बार कई लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना है कि तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने तुम्हारे को ऐसे रेस किया है. कईयों की सासों ने बोला होगा. Right? It's just like pointing out the plant wasn't watered, so it withered. It's an interpretation that is certainly easy to understand, but Adlerian teleology does not turn a blind eye to the goal of the child deciding. That is to say, the goal of revenge on the parent. If he becomes delinquent, stops going to school, cuts his wrist, or things like that, the parent will be upset. They will panic and worry themselves sick over him. It is in the knowledge that this will help the child emerge in problem behavior. So that the current goal, revenge of the parent, can be realized not because he is motivated by the past causes, that is home environment. Youth. He engages in problem behavior in order to upset his parents. Philosopher. That's right. There are probably a lot of people who feel mystified by seeing a child who cuts his wrist and think, why would he do such a thing? But try to think how the people around the child, the parent, for instance, will feel as a result of the behavior of wrist cutting. If you do, the goal behind the behavior should come into view of this own accord. Youth. The goal being revenge? Philosopher. Yes. And once the interpersonal relationship reaches the revenge stage, it is almost impossible for either party to find a solution. To prevent this from happening, when one is challenged to a power struggle, one must never allow oneself to be taken in. My mom normally used to, tell me कि जो मर्जी हो जाए जो मर्जी जितना भी गुस्सा कर दे, नेवर एवर रिएक्ट. वाई? कोई गुस्सा कर रहा है, कोई तुम्हारे को कुछ बोल रहा है, देयर इज ऑलवेज एन एजेंडा बिहाइंड इट. दे वांट यू टू एक्ट इन अ सर्टेन वे, and if you do not react or respond, their purpose fails. They will not keep on. So मैंने अपनी बेटी के बारे में कई बार बताया. When she was young, cousins सारे उसको बोलते थे, you look like a pig, you look like a pig. She used to cry. Everybody was having fun. The day she decided that she's not reacting to whatever they are saying, that poking stopped. जब आपका पति आपको बार बार कुछ कुछ बोलता जा रहा है, you do not react to it. पहले ही will say पागल हो गई है, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. थोड़े दिनों बाद बोलना ही बंद हो जाएगा कि यार नो यूज. अब आपके ऊपर
What if
डिपेंड
you
करता है
want
व्हाट डू यू
something from, what if
सॉरी.
you want something from them? Or like, what if they are in authority and you want something from them, and then or either we'll have to break the authority, I feel, or power struggle will start then.
क्यों?
Let's say we want something,
हम्म,
they deny it,
हम्म,
and then they do something like maybe we ask again
हम्म,
something, that thing or something happens, like, yeah, then what happens is they will also use the tactics, why you
हम्म,
always need this, right? Okay, and then the same power struggle, that dialogue and everything will start. So
हम्म,
it's like, otherwise, which you were giving example, pati kuch keh raha hai, we can stop, but here one is fighting for the thing one needs. The
हम्म,
problem happened there. A person goal is to get that
हम्म.
or to justify yourself,
हाँ, तो
but
पति का
other
भी तो गोल
person,
यही है ना कि तुम्हारे को वो चीज ना मिले, बिकॉज ही इज डिनाइंग, एंड योर गोल इज कि मेरे को तो वो चाहिए.
हाँ तो
जो अपने अपने गोल्स के लिए कर रहे हो, तब पावर ये स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट होगा. दैट इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, राइट?
I'm saying, how can you remain quiet over there? With maybe, yeah, quiet, remaining quiet can be good, but I'm not able to understand, because somehow I thought if you will remain quiet, you will not be able to prove them that or tell that you need it. You definitely need it.
नहीं नहीं,
Something.
अपनी नीड जरूर. यू हैव द राइट to
Yeah.
ask for things.
Hmm.
If you have married to a man and you are unemployed, it is
Hmm.
his responsibility to take care of you, right?
Yeah. Somehow, yes, yes. And
When you're asking for something,
hmm.
वैसे सेल्स का भी एक रूल है, 7 बार सेल करने के बाद एक बार सेल मिलती है. 7 बार पूछ लो. तुम डोंट अटैच एन इमोशन टू इट कि अगर वो मेरे को मना कर देगा मेरे को लड़ना है.
Hmm. I think this line is very important. This thing which is coming out is very important. I think I need to again. I forget things, so it's like, again, don't get triggered if they are saying no. Basically, that was the major thing.
हाँ.
Don't get triggered if they are saying no,
नहीं.
because our expectation was that they cannot say no. I think here the
वन ऑफ माई मेंटर सेज जब पहली बार ना मिले डांस करो, बल्ले बल्ले ना हो गई.
oh
कुछ तो
yeah.
बोला. दूसरी बार
Hmm.
हुए
पहला
कि
वार कर दिया. वही तो, पहला वार कर दिया. नाउ ही नोज.
और
Yeah.
हमारे को तो
I
7
think
नाउ अब
स्टेजेस
छोटे
पार
छोटे वार
करनी है.
करने हैं.
हमारे को तो 7-8 स्टेजेस पार करनी है. तो
hmm.
पहला हो गया. नाउ
Yeah.
6-7 मोर लेफ्ट.
Totally. What if you don't have that much time? It's like days will pass and you have 4 days. Yeah.
See,
मुस्कान
if
हंसती
is important for you and two things is coming up, is it okay, Karishma?
यस.
Yeah. So if it's important for you, it doesn't have to be coming from the person you want. You will make a way to do it.
Hmm.
It doesn't have to be attached कि वही देगा तो मिलेगा. For example, if you need money, पति नहीं दे रहा, पिता दे सकते हैं, ज्वेलरी बेच सकते हो, like you will find a way. Until unless you are sticking to a option कि यही source है मेरे पास, इसी से करना है, ये क्यों नहीं करेगा, there comes the big expectation
This
and the
again,
problem. Yeah,
again.
problem everywhere. मेरा बच्चा नहीं पढ़ता, उसको पढ़ना चाहिए, पूरे दिन टीवी तो देख लेता, पढ़ाई नहीं करता. एक्सपेक्टेशन, इट्स योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, and your expectation is your responsibility. Nobody else is going to take
Expectation.
care of that. Yeah, so
Definitely.
expectation is the biggest culprit. For what we were discussing, the point is, in NLP there is a very beautiful concept. You guys are laughing now. Yeah, but
Muskan,
it is true.
he's
Sorry?
NLP expert. Muskan.
NLP expert. Yeah, NLP expert. Yeah, she will tell. Like, she must know. Like, there is 14 presuppositions. So one of them is behavior may be wrong or bad, but intentions are never.
Yes.
Intentions are always good. So anytime anybody doing something, चोर अगर चोरी कर रहा है, उसका intention उसके हिसाब से सही है. It may or may not be right as per us, or it may not be functional. It may be a dysfunctional. Like, we do two kinds of behavior, functional or dysfunctional. For example, मेरा बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा है, मैं उसको थप्पड़ मार रही हूँ. Now, studying all the trauma and all, we got to know कि थप्पड़ मारना is a trauma. We are creating a trauma for them. But मेरा intention तो उसको पढ़ाना है ना. Until unless I don't know कि मेरा थप्पड़ मारना उसके लिए trauma है,
100%.
my intention is to teach. वो पढ़ ले, उसकी life set हो जाएगी. So same way with everything. So intention is always positive. कोई बंदा अगर किसी के साथ बहुत गलत कर रहा है, like even for rape, I say, the person who is doing rape, like, I'm not justifying that, but is like, women also do rape. So they are right, and their intention is right. They're not doing just because they have to do. Their intention in some way is aligned to what they believe.
Right for them.
Right? Chori kar.
Their
Right for
intention,
them. Yeah.
not for the
Yeah.
other person, no. Because
That is the outcome you may or may not like, and that's why the second point comes. So their intention is always, intentions, nothing wrong or right. It's always right. Intention is always correct.
intention was to
The
hurt that person,
outcome
not take
for
advantage
other
of it.
person may or may not be in your favor. That's where the power struggle happens. Okay? मैंने एक behavior किया. My behavior may be wrong or right, but my intention is always right. मेरा behavior गलत हो सकता है. Let's say मुझे आपसे काम कराना है. कोमल यार कुछ करती नहीं है, तू ये कर दे. कोमल यार तू कुछ नहीं करती, प्लीज ये कर दे. या अभी तू कुछ नहीं कर रही है, तू ये कर दे. Both are my behaviors. My intention is to get my work done, but the way I did, one is bad, one is good, as per you, I'm assuming. Right? Now the power comes when you show power. Till the time I am doing something and you are not responding, there is no power struggle. So once you start to do something, you respond or react, that's where the power struggle happens. And psychologically, we don't choose to fight with someone we feel we will lose. हम उनसे नहीं लड़ते हैं जिनसे हमें लगता है कि हम हार जाएंगे. एक छोटा जानवर आएगा, डंडा लेके भगाओगे, बट वही एक हाथी, भालू या शेर आ गया, you will be like, मैं कहाँ जाके छुपूं.
So true.
Right? So power struggle again is our choice, that we
Like
choose
because
कि यहाँ तो जीत सकते हैं, तो लड़ने दो. Okay, now you can say. I triggered a lot though.
now
I
I'm
know
always,
that, but yeah.
yeah, it is because Anshika is saying we where we know. So mom is always battling with me, but not with dad. So I'm angry why you are not favoring when me and dad are having a conflict. She's like, Komal, you can stop, you can stop. But I say, why dad cannot? Why you cannot say daughter को थोड़ा सा प्यार कर दो? That's it. That will solve the matter. So she's never doing it because she knows I will lose there, and she says it. Anshika, मतलब proofs.
ये भी समझ में आ रहा है कि मम्मी कैन ऑल्सो लूज फ्रॉम पापा. पापा को कहेंगी
वही
तो पापा
वही
कहेंगे,
तो
अरे तू मेरे अगेंस्ट जा रही है, तू चुपचाप बैठ जा.
अरे
हाथी से
वही
नहीं
तो
लड़
बोल
पा रही है ना, वो
रहे
चूहे को
हो
चुप करवा रही है.
करिश्मा, वही तो बोल रहे हैं कि उधर तो बोलती.
यस.
हाँ, यही तो बता रहे हैं कि आई डोंट फील माई सेल्फ जुआ, इसलिए मैं पापा से लड़ रही हूँ, बिकॉज मैं तो सोच रही हूँ बराबर है. बट मॉम थिंक्स इसको मैं कह सकती हूँ. राइट. एंड व्हेन आई आस्क्ड, शी सेज नानी भी ऐसे ही करती थी. वो कहती तू सियानी है, बट दैट्स जस्ट दिस सियानी नहीं, मतलब शी कैन नॉट कन्फ्रंट देयर.
शी विल फाइंड हर ओन वेज. लेट्स हियर मुस्कान. मुस्कान को बहुत देर से बहुत कुछ बोलना है. लेट्स हियर इट.
I think I was going to talk about NLP, which Anshik already told.
कोई बात नहीं, फिर से बोल दो.
Oh, I took your point.
Reiterate करो.
Reiterate, yeah.
Okay, I'll try my best. The concept I want to just tell you is every single person is talking in their favor. Nobody's against us.
कम शब्दों में कोमल म्यूट पे हो।
Yeah, this
वही वार कर दिया आज तो। कोमल सब कुछ अपने पे लेके अपने मॉडल ऑफ वर्ल्ड में अप्लाई करे, ये कहाँ लग सकता है, ये कहाँ
and
लग सकता है।
plus, I mean, this has to be given to me. This recording is coming to us. We need it.
ठीक है, I'll
Because
send it in the group.
Anshika, I went through a huge trauma yesterday. I was crying all day yesterday.
Yes.
So I want to apply. I think, okay, this, that. Where is the cricket ball going?
Exactly. And trauma is as per who? Again, anytime when you're laboring something or doing something, as per who? See, basically, in psychological terms, trauma is something that changes behavior. Okay? And I give this example. As a kid, मैंने कभी तो गरम कुछ छुआ होगा, बर्तन, कुकर, तवा, कढ़ाई, something I have touched hot, right? And that's how I got to know this is hot and hot enough to harm me. I changed my behavior to touch lightly before touching कि गरम है कि नहीं। मतलब मैं अब जाके एकदम से कुकर नहीं पकड़ लेती हूँ, I touch it कि ज्यादा गरम तो नहीं है, and then I hold it, right? So this is a change of behavior happened because of some external event, and that was a trauma in my mind. Is this trauma serving me or holding me back?
Serving. Here, I think not touching again and again. Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'm not burning myself every time because I learned from that trauma and I'm applying it. So traumas are basically your measure of world. So how you are using it matters more than, like labeling it as a same again, wo inferiority complex and superiority. Feeling inferior is okay. Feeling in inferiority complex or like feeling superior is okay, or feeling superiority complex. So feeling trauma is okay. Holding trauma, like trauma hold you back, that's a different story
My
now. That's a
problem,
choice now.
yeah, maybe I didn't hear properly. My problem gets is this when I become like a lion or lioness, like okay, I'll fight back. I'll prove my point. Power struggle के अंदर चले गए हो. But later on, I regret. This thing happens, resentment, regret, because I do not like the consequences of what happened. The bad
Right.
words or anything which can come up, which is breaking the boundaries, which is creating the trouble, which can make everyone hurt. That is
My
kind of
question to you, why you have to use this word 2 times in
power
that
struggle.
one? I have to prove myself. I have to prove myself.
Okay.
Why you have to prove yourself to others?
That is prove
You know
myself.
your worth. Nobody is
Yes,
going to change their behavior by knowing your worth.
I
How
feel
does
that.
that matter?
I think yes, that is very true. That is work you are telling, and this is the trigger point where my worth, I'm always like I'm listening from this person, and I'm like you. I'm judging. I'm taking my worth from there. Definitely, I'm taking my worth from their words. That is the thing. Yeah, you are also saying now that don't you know your worth?
Thank you, Muskan, for
Yeah,
joining
you know
in.
your worth. Sorry, yeah.
Yes.
You know your worth. Proving your worth to somebody else, that's a two different thing. See, so when you're proving your worth, and I have done this, like I'm very guilty of that. मेरा पति मेरी नहीं सुनता है, वो पूरी दुनिया की सुनता है, वही बात कोई और बोलेगा तो सुनता है, मैं बोलती हूँ तो क्यों नहीं सुनता है? एंड दैट्स वेयर फॉर मी इट्स लाइक, क्यों मैं क्या गलत बोल रही थी, उसको मेरी बात क्यों नहीं समझ में आती है? एंड नाउ आई came to that understanding, like why he has to listen to me. That was my opinion. Following and not following is his choice, right? And for that, like that discussion we are having, we will tolerate till we tolerate. Okay,
We will tolerate till we tolerate.
till we tolerate. So
Mhm.
ये भी एक भारी लाइन है. This
मतलब
is
we
Tony
were
Robbins
doing
line.
it till we can take it.
Till we can take it.
Tolerate,
So
take it,
you're
anything.
going in a bus, ठीक है, हर रोज धक्के खा रहे हो, हर रोज धक्के खा रहे हो, बट वो एक दिन ऐसा आता है कि यार बस हो गया, अब धक्के नहीं खाना, मैं तो अपनी कार खरीदूंगी.
And what if you are giving that day 5 times, 10 times? You are giving yourself. That is obviously वो एक दिन नहीं आया, it means.
एक दिन नहीं आता, वो बिल्डअप होता है. सो यू टॉलरेट टिल यू टॉलरेट. लाइक एक वाइफ है, रोज पिटती है अपने हस्बैंड से, बट एक दिन उठ के बोलती है कि बस अब हो गया, अब और नहीं चाहिए, आई एम
Exactly.
डूइंग इट माई वे. सो दैट्स द बिल्डअप वी आर मेकिंग. लाइक वही मतलब मेरी कोच ही बड़े अच्छे से एग्जांपल
Damn, this
देती है ना,
all the things
भगवान
like
जी आपको
again.
एक फेदर से समझाते हैं कि समझ जाओ, ये लो एक फेदर गिराया तुम पे, समझ जाओ. या यूनिवर्स, भगवान, जो भी बोलना है, नहीं समझ में आया, एक ईंट उठा के मारते हैं कि लो
Hmm.
अब सुन लो. अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया, लो ट्रक दिया. मोस्ट ऑफ द
And
अस वी लिसन व्हेन वी आर हिट बाय अ ट्रक.
even words are coming
पहले 2 बार में
same.
सुनते ही नहीं है.
सेम. अभी मैंने बोला साइकिल के ऊपर ट्रक चढ़ गया, मैंने अपने आपको बोला मैं साइकिल, कोई ट्रक है. सो मेरे आज मैं यही प्रोनाउंस कर रही थी, साइकिल एंड ट्रक. आई वॉज यूजिंग द सेम वर्ड ट्रक. इट्स लाइक आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर आई गेट.
अब पीछे बैक ट्रैक करो, ट्रक से पहले पत्थर भी आया होगा, उससे पहले थोड़ी सी हवा भी लगी होगी, बट यू डिडंट रिस्पॉन्डेड टू दैट बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट स्ट्रांग इनफ फॉर यू टू टेक एक्शन. तो कुछ लोग ऊंचा सुनते हैं, उनको सुनाने के लिए भगवान जी को
यू
तेज
मीन
बोलना
यू
पड़ता है.
मीन रिस्पॉन्डेड पॉजिटिवली फॉर सेल्फ, आई रिएक्टेड, you mean responded to them, but that was kind of reaction. I was thinking it as a
ओके,
power
टू
struggle.
वर्ड्स यू आर यूजिंग, रिएक्शन एंड रिस्पॉन्ड. आज तो बहुत सारी एनएलपी कोचिंग हो रही है.
Mm. So it's like
You said 2 words, reaction and respond. What do you mean by that? What is
I mean,
reaction and what is
I mean,
respond?
I was, if I was responding, then I would have taken good actions for self, something which is
Mm-hmm.
beneficial for me, which is like
Mm-hmm.
uh, anything. I cannot think beyond moving out, but yeah, it can be any steps which I like.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And reacting was proving myself, being in the power struggle, that I'm better, I am this, I am that, I am worthy. And how can you say this? This is reacting. That why you are saying this thing? I am this. Don't label me this. How can you say this? How dare you do it? Why you are putting me down, like making me down, putting me down, anything, those words. So this was me. This is reaction, I guess, which is like I'm asking them, why you do it? Why you are like
Mm.
to my husband also and somewhere else also.
Few
So,
parents, yeah, some parents. Okay,
so
so let me give you an example. My daughter is doing something like, okay, let's say she is jumping on sofa and I'm sitting right beside and I'm doing some work on laptop. And मुझे डर लग रहा है कि वो मेरे लैपटॉप पे गिरेगी, टूट जाएगा. एक बार पहले हो चुका है. ओके, सो आई एम स्केर्ड कि, तो मैं उसको बोल रही या तो दूर जंप कर या तो मत जंप कर. 1 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 3 टाइम, 5 टाइम, 10 टाइम. उसके बाद मैंने उठ के एक थप्पड़ लगा दिया. राइट? इज इट अ रिएक्शन और अ रिस्पॉन्ड? मैंने तो अपने फेवर में किया ना, कि मेरा लैपटॉप बच जाएगा, मैं शांति से काम कर लूंगी. बट वॉज इट अ रिएक्शन और रिस्पॉन्ड?
reaction.
It was a reaction. Yeah. So the difference between reaction and response is that you take time, ideally 3 seconds or more, and then choose a path to do it. Doesn't matter it is aligned to your benefit or not, other people's benefit or not. You take time and choose the best available for you at that moment. मैंने वही उसको थप्पड़ मारने के बजाय 3 सेकंड लेके,
In the
ईशा
place.
यार तू सोफे पे मत जम कर, एक काम कर, जाके ये वाले खिलौने से खेल ले.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, मे बी उसको ये आउटकम नहीं अच्छा लगा.
Yeah,
इट इज नॉट एट ऑल अलाइंड विथ हर आउटकम ऑफ हैविंग फन. राइट?
right.
उसको सोफा पे मजा आ रहा था, अब खिलौने के साथ खेलने में वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
True.
But still, I responded. So response is whenever you are taking time to choose the best available option at that moment as per you. Reaction is you are acting out of emotion.
Emotion.
बॉडी में फील हुआ, तड़क कर दिया, गुस्सा
Yeah.
आ रहा है, चीज तोड़ दी. So that is reaction. So taking time is response. Without taking time is reaction. And now look back in your life, how many times you react and how many times you respond. Many of the answers of your, I can feel the struggle you are having. And for me, the way I am seeing you is you are in one shell, and you know there is a bigger beautiful shell for you, and you are right now breaking that shell to become that bigger you. Like
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
a clear thing that we can see in you. Like
yeah.
मुझे पता है कि ये जो मैं कर रही हूँ गलत है, but this is who I am, how can I change? That is in your every question is coming.
Okay, what it is, this I didn't get. Breaking the shell, right?
Breaking the shell. So you like, see, we are old
Why
people, we
I'm
are old pattern.
why I'm trying to prove someone. This I don't know.
क्योंकि
Or
You ask yourself,
हाँ,
why? See, we have basic six needs. What is that you are getting by proving
what I'm
other?
this getting वाला, what I'm getting from them, why I want
What
from
you are
them.
getting? There are six needs by Tony Robbins: certainty, uncertainty, growth, significance,
It's okay. Hmm.
contribution, and there is one more. Like you can Google it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what is that you are getting out of these six needs? What do you think you are
One is
getting?
I
Six नहीं,
obviously
five ही बताया.
certainty ना.
Certainty. Yeah. So your need is certainty. कि मैं certain हो जाऊं कि मैंने
Safe.
जो किया वो सही था.
No, say certainty
हाँ.
means a shelter also.
Certainty is safety also. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Certainty is safety. Things that you
Hmm.
are familiar is safety. Things
Hmm.
you are not familiar. Some people
Hmm.
like adventure because they like unsafety. Adventure is equal to unsafety, na?
Right.
Adventure is something that is uncertain. Uncertain
Definitely.
is safety.
Hmm. For me,
Unsafety,
it's
sorry.
very
So
much
yeah,
of a
so for you,
certain thing.
safety.
Certain,
So
huh?
now, next question you ask yourself, and this is like hardcore coaching wala. Next question you ask yourself, if I'm not getting safety from this action, how can I feel safe and still do it? So let's say I'm not going and struggling. For example, मेरे पापा के साथ, the exact thing, like my father was very supportive person in many of the things, but he has certain things that नहीं करना है तो नहीं
हाँ,
करना है.
right, right.
And I was that बच्चा जो नहीं बोला वहां तो क्यों नहीं करना है.
हाँ.
तुम्हें फैशन डिजाइनिंग नहीं करना है, तुम्हें रैंप वॉक नहीं करना, भाई रैंप वॉक तो पक्का करना है, क्यों नहीं करना है. आई
Hmm.
डोंट यूज टू फाइट.
Yeah.
एंड अगेन दैट वो ना मेरे लिए सिग्निफिकेंस वाज द नीड. आई वांट टू फील सिग्निफिकेंट, दैट इंपॉर्टेंस कि मैं भी कुछ हूं. ओके, योर नीड इज सर्टेनिटी. सेम
No,
बिहेवियर
this
बट डिफरेंट
also same. This one also certainty also.
significance.
Hmm.
Yeah, but first thing came is certainty.
Certainty.
It can
हाँ.
be for me also. Certainty is second. Like all six needs we all need, but
Yeah.
right now the most important was whatever came.
Hmm.
Right? So for me was significance. Certainty was also definitely a thing. And doing that, giving me uncertainty. Right? Ramp walk is uncertain, something adventurous for me. I don't know what's going to happen, how it will. Like मेरे पापा ने मना किया तो कुछ तो adventurous होगा, right? कुछ तो unsafe होगा, and I want that uncertainty. So my all needs are met with that same behavior. But what was the primary need I was looking for? Significance. कि मैं पापा को prove करूं कि मैं भी कुछ हूं. Right?
Hmm.
So anytime मैं बोल क्या रही थी, हाँ. So anytime when I am fulfilling my need, asking myself, I want to feel significant.
Love comes under this. I feel love, asking for love.
Love is more of security में आएगा,
Security
certainty
or
नहीं.
middle
Security
ground.
में.
Right.
Significance में तारीफ आएगी, वाहवाही आएगी, superior feeling आएगी, ये सब चीजें significance में आएगा. Leadership आएगी. You can Google, like you search
Yeah.
Tony Robbins 6
Yeah,
needs
it's a
and then
mix
you
of
can
both.
study.
Now we understood
But
both are
yeah,
mixed.
next question, once you identify your need, and this is a practice you can start doing. Whenever you are doing something and you feel that you are not liking it, like आपने बोला ना, आप जाके लड़ रहे हो, and then you are feeling कि वो जो consequence हुआ वो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Yeah.
Now that you know something that you didn't like, ask yourself, what was that need I was looking for? Once you know the need, ask yourself, how would I have fulfilled if not this way? मुझे significance feel करना है, ठीक है? One more example, personal example again. मेरे को तारीफ, like my thing is like मेरी तारीफ कर दो and मुझसे कुछ भी करा लो. Like I have given up my, like, you know, चाबी to
Yeah.
operate me. ठीक है,
Definitely.
तारीफ कर दो and उसके बाद तुम मेरे से खून भी करा लो, मैं प्यार प्यार से कर दूंगी. So that is who me is. My
Okay.
husband is not at all like that. उनको 10 बार बोलो तारीफ कर दो, तारीफ कर दो, तारीफ कर दो, and he is like, right? So now that I need that appreciation, I need that feeling of authority or feeling of admiration. If I'm not getting from my husband, where else I can get it? How
Often
else I can get it?
friends, parents,
Friends, parents, खुद से.
खुद से.
वाह,
Forward.
तेरा तो जवाब नहीं, तू तो कमाल ही कमाल है.
हाँ, definitely. Yeah.
मैं almost every month I write a greeting card. Like I have got so many greeting cards, and I write the entire front and back. छोटा 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 छोटा. How amazing I am. क्योंकि कोई और करता ही नहीं है मेरे लिए, और मुझे ये चीज बड़ी अच्छी लगती है कि कोई मेरी तारीफ करे. So either this way, so find ways to fulfill your that need.
Yeah. It was like
That's all.
we used to make food, then my brother was like, okay, tell them you should be appreciated. at that house.
हाँ,
Like
तारीफ करो, खाना बनाया तो तारीफ करो यार,
खाना
एग्जैक्टली
बनाया,
एफर्ट
तारीफ
डाला है.
plus either help me or both the things actually. He was like just talk to them about these two aspects. Don't go here and there. You should know what you want. Appreciation. So yeah. Same for maybe I have not assessed, but I will look into it. What is for
Just
parents?
see what need you need to fulfill and how else
Mm.
you can fulfill.
I think
And this is what I was talking, functional and dysfunctional behavior. So
yeah.
dysfunctional is many times it's not working in our favor. Okay.
Hmm.
So when
Yes.
I'm stressed, I'm eating a lot. Example.
Yes. Yes.
It is my way of soothing my stress, but it's a dysfunctional way because my body don't need that much food, but I am taking it anyway. So it's a dysfunctional way. What is the functional way? I find other ways to soothe my stress without binge eating. Okay. So for example, if nothing else is working, I work like पहले एक खीरा खा लो, उसके बाद जितना खाना है खाओ. अब खीरा खा लिया, आधा पेट तो भर गया, कितना ही खा पाओगे? So that's just a slight change, but that is a functional behavior now. Or drink 1 teaspoon of chia seed. It fills your stomach very quickly. आप just soak करो और पी लो, 5 मिनट के अंदर you feel your stomach is so full because it's. So this is the way I know now कि अच्छा ठीक है, binge eating के बजाय I can do this. And
Start
these are like हम
consciously.
ना कुछ गिने चुने 8-10 behavior हैं जिसमें करते हैं. We don't do in entire things. Like we are functional in pretty much everything. वही 2 4 5 चीज होती हैं जिसमें we are dysfunctional and we want to change. Just find a functional way to do it. That's all, and it will work good for you.
Yeah, I'll have to look what I was asking from them. Is it I thought I'm
Yeah.
asking for craving for love, but here behaviors are different, like certainty and those things. Love can come under these things, but I thought it is just love. That if mom could have said, "Okay, we will buy you a dress," it was just a dress. So and father was like, "Why you need every time?" So I was like, "Yeah, we need it. We have to go somewhere and we need it basic." Hannah, that is me. But then he wanted that I should earn and get it. I was like, mom has 500 of them, 1,000 of them. She's going, yeah. I was like this. Full house is full of her dresses. And that game started getting bitter. So he wanted to favor mom, or mom wanted to prove that she was employed, that this, that, you don't know my times, what I went through. So yeah, here was a power struggle, and more. It went yeah, differently. So what you are doing, you don't do anything, so all the things. So
So
it would
they
come.
are justifying their means by like, see, there is 2 ways you
And
can
they
win
are
an
wanting to
argument.
push also the which lines came, like you want to push your child to do something. They want me to see,
Something, yeah.
yeah, to
See, intention is good. Behavior may be not good.
intention. You were saying about
Intention is
intention.
good, right?
Intention was you should be grown up. You should be doing by yourself. Why you're looking towards our money? The directly was like why you are looking towards, but everything was so hurtful because I have never expected that. It was because my expectations were not because they were always from different
Because you have been seeing them as providers all along.
provider. So when it is coming, we don't know. That was the thing that they can say, they can motivate, but yeah, करिए ना बोल।
Wow. Thank you,
ये
Anshika.
बहुत सुंदर लाइन है. Yeah, I just want to conclude this.
Yes.
Exactly अच्छे से राइम में नहीं याद आ रही, but you can make your life beautiful. Like आप अपनी जिंदगी सुंदर बना सकते हैं कुछ अंदाज से और कुछ नजरअंदाज से.
I've heard CEOs saying such
Yeah,
lines. I think somebody.
sorry.
I have heard CEOs saying this line of some company,
Yeah,
but
बोला होगा कहीं से, मैंने भी सुना है, but this line stuck to
Hmm.
me. Like
I don't
yeah,
remember.
I think it was Sandeep Maheshwari or I don't know, like some big Indian
Plus Tata,
coach.
or I don't remember the company
Yeah,
whose
अपनी
CEO.
जिंदगी आसान कर लो कुछ अंदाज से, कुछ नजरअंदाज से.
Some senior person was
Wow.
also saying,
So,
yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah, it's a
Thank
beautiful
you.
line.
Nazarandaz thing.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
आज
Komal,
अच्छी
for
वाली
your
काउंसलिंग
queries.
हो गई.
Thank you, Anshika, for your amazing perspectives
So
and
many
your
books, so many
NLP teaching.
references. NLPs, books, everything together.
Yes.
But
I
वही आज दिवाली कर दी मैंने आपके ब्रेन में, but yeah, just reflect back on it.
yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
tomorrow we will be talking about admitting fault is not a defeat. Looking
Important.
forward to have both of you.
Much important. Yeah.
Take care.
Tomorrow I will not be like I have to go to my daughter's school. But yeah, I'm
अरे फिर
hoping this
हमारे को
week will be the
NLP का
last week
कौन
till I will have.
बताएगा? Who is going to teach us on NLP? She's NLP
Muskan.
masters.
Yeah, I will be free by this time.
Okay.
So yeah, I will be back by this time. Not this time, like 9:15, 9:20 for my time. That will be like your I think 11 से थोड़ा पहले.
Okay.
So it will be late for you guys. Yeah, but I will be free 1 hour. So exactly वही time when we have session, I will be having her session there.
Oh, okay.
So
कोई बात नहीं. Still, we will be looking
you guys continue. I will be
around.
sharing my insights when I'm back
When you come, yeah.
on Friday.
Yes, sure. And I will share the recording of this session particularly with Komal because she might want to hear it again. Even
Yeah,
I will
and
also go through it again because the
definitely.
concepts that you have shared are truly
Maybe
powerful.
we'll discuss if we have time, Karishma and me, on the same what we remember and how these things can be tackled. Yeah, I would love to do it if she has. Yeah.
Okay, sure. So I'm leaving now. Okay,
ठीक है.
carry on.
Take care.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Karishma. It was lovely
Thank you.
session.
Thank
I
you.
had fun too. Thank you.
Yeah.
And I
God
want to
bless.
say one more thing.
Yes.
I love you. I will give you in written also, but right now I'm doing it because I wanted to say this. Love you, love you, love you, love you so much. And
Thank
the reason of that is this book club. Like, I joined in January, and for me, I told you, like, expressing myself, what I have here coming out of my mouth is not that fluent. But today, when I was talking to one of the like other person from somewhere, and like the words that were flowing out of my mouth were exactly what I wanted to convey in the way. And I'm like, ये इतना fluently कैसे हो रहा है? मुझे तो बहुत सोचना पड़ता है.
Yes.
And that is
Beautiful.
magic. Like the
Sometimes
days
yeah.
I have spent, the way I am able to express here myself freely. So thank you, Komal, also for holding this space for me and everybody who holds this space. And thank you for providing this space, Karishma. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Pastor,
Thank you.
love you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Amazing.
God bless you with
Thank
massive
you.
success. And thank you for sharing your
Thank
insights
you.
in this room as well. And when you speak here,
Yes.
एक तो आपके अंदर जो है वो निकल रहा है. And when Komal is responding to you in a certain way, you know that she's understanding what you're saying. So that's beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
that's a reflection for me also to learn that I
Articulated
have done
very
it. Yeah.
well. We are definitely able to get all the words out which we have read in books. Actually, even I could see such
Exactly.
magic.
जो दिमाग में है ना,
Yeah.
वो मुंह से
All the
अच्छे से निकल
vocabulary is
पाता है.
coming out. Articulate this, that, all the wisdom is
Yes,
coming out.
exactly. Okay, chalo, you guys carry on.
Lots of love. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful
Thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, Anshika.
Bye. You too, guys.
Thank you.